Guess what? Saan kaya tayo ngayon, Miss Sarina, no? So we're here at the penthouse level of Chelsea Parkplace, wherein you could have the technically 360 view
Yes.
of the whole development of Capital Town. So, wait lang. Dito, papakita namin from here. Ayan. So, this is the commercial area naman ni Capital Town.
The shop house district.
As you can see, may mga operational na dyan. We have the Stun Clicks. Ayun yun, no? Stun Clicks. And yan. And then, also may ongoing na construction. Ayan, na malapit na siyang matapos. This, oh. And then, meron din doon. How many are the,
Total shop houses, 98 po, Sir Alan.
98?
We have 98 shop houses in the 6 hectares shop house district of Capital Town, Pampanga. And currently, we still have 3 remaining commercial lots left.
Yes, so that's why message us to secure a commercial lot dito wherein you could put your own office or even your restaurants, no? Wait, there's more updates. So one of my favorites here in Capital Town is the Sam Hotel. So from this penthouse level, we could see the excavation na ngayon dito sa Savoy Hotel. So I'll show you. So as you can see, ayan, excavation na siya, and ayan yung Montrose. So katabi po niya is the Savoy Hotel. This is the 4-star hotel of Capital Town. Ayan.